Hello student. So last video I have given the how to solve by substitution method, and today the next method is the elimination method. Elimination. So first of all, try to understand what is the word meaning of the elimination. So what is the meaning of elimination? Elimination means to remove, to cancel, to remove, eliminate him from the group, eliminate odd numbers. Okay? Suppose if I'll ask you 1, 4, 5, 9, 13, and if I'll ask you eliminate even number. So what is that even number? 4 is an even number. So 4 will not be there. So this is the meaning of elimination. Now last one, that is substitution method. What we have done? We have converted any one of the two equations as a dependent equation. That means one variable in terms of the other. But here, no need to do that. Here, you have to do by eliminate by taking the LCM. That means equalizing the coefficient. Okay? So let me see 1. Suppose x plus y equal to 8 and x minus y equal to 2. Now if I want to solve this one by elimination method, then you see one thing, that coefficient of x in both the places is 1, coefficient of y in both the places, one is positive and the other is negative, plus 1 minus 1. Then, so here coefficients are equal, so no need to take the LCM. Then what we will do, 1 plus 2. If I do 1 plus 2, that means in my mind that I have to eliminate y. That is the reason. So in that case, x plus y equal to 8, x minus y equal to 2. So ultimately what is that? So plus y cancel, twice x equal to 10 implies x equal to 5. Clear? And then remaining part is same as substitution method. That putting the value of x in 1 or 2 any one. But in substitution method there was compulsory that you have to use in the second guide the second equation, not the first equation. Here you are free to do by any one. Okay? So then let's see, if I want to eliminate x, then what I have to do? 1 minus 2. Then what will happen? See, x plus y equal to 8, x minus y equal to 2. So minus, this will be plus, this is minus, so gone. So twice y equal to 6 implies y equal to 3. So is it clear to you? So it depends on you which one you want to eliminate. Now here it was not much difficult because coefficient was 1. But when it will be coefficient will be other than 1, then you have to be careful that you have to take the LCM and you have to equalize the coefficient of any one of the variable, and then you have to proceed the steps. Okay. So in that case, let's see. Start with question number 1, exercise 3.4, question number 1. So let's see. 1 Roman 1. X plus y equal to 5. This is equation number 1. Twice x minus twice y equal to 4. This is equation number 2. Now you see whether you want to eliminate y or you want to eliminate x. If you want to eliminate x, then 1 you have to multiply by 2. If you want to eliminate y, then you have to multiply 1 with 3, because here 1, here 3, so LCM of 1 and 3 is 3. Here 1, here 2, LCM of 1 and 2 is 2. Okay, so let's say 1 into 2 minus 2. Then what it will be? Twice x plus twice y equal to 10. Twice x minus thrice y equal to 4. This one nothing to do. So minus plus minus. So this one gone. 5y equal to 6 implies y equal to 6 by 5. Now putting the value of y in 1, then what it will be? It will be x plus 6 by 5 equal to 5. Then implies x equal to 5 minus 6 by 5. Then it will be x equal to 25 minus 6 divided by 5 equal to 19 by 5. Got? So this way we got the values of x and y. Now I will show you. Suppose if you want to eliminate y, then what you have to do? Let's see. In that case, I have to take that equalize the coefficient of y. So that means 1 into 3 plus 2. Now you see here. Here I have subtracted equation 2. Here I am adding equation 2y. Here both the variables, that is x, are positive. Here both are negative. So if you add, then also it is enough. And that's the reason. So let's see. Thrice x plus twice y equal to 15. Then twice x minus twice y equal to 4. Then what is that? Plus. So this one cancel. So 5x equal to how much? 5x equal to how much? It is 19. So ultimately x equal to 19 by 5. So did you get the same answer? Same answer. And then proceed with the substituting the value of x in any one of the equation, you will get the value of y. Clear? So this is the Roman 1. Now let's see. Roman 1, Roman 4. 1 Roman 4. X by 2 plus twice y by 3 equal to minus 1. This is equation number 1. And then x minus y by 3 equal to 3. This is equation number 2. Okay? Then let's see. So if you want to eliminate x, then what you have to do? 1, you have to multiply by 2. Then 2 will be cancelled, it will be x. Minus 2. Then you see, x plus 4y by 3 equal to minus 2. And here x minus y by 3 equal to 3. Clear? Then you say this is minus, this is plus, this is minus. So x cancel. So 4y by 3 plus y by 3 equal to minus 5. implies 4y plus y by 3 equal to minus 5 implies 5y equal to minus 5 into 3 implies y equal to minus 3. So y value we got. Now putting the value of y in any one of the equations. So let's see, putting the value of y in 1. Putting the value of y in 1. So what is that? X by 2 plus 2 into minus 3 by 3 equal to minus 1. 3 cancel 1. So ultimately x by 2 equal to minus 1 plus 2 implies x equal to 2. Therefore x equal to 2, y equal to minus 3. You can check whether your answer is correct or not. So x by 2, so 2 by 2 equal to 1 and 3 by minus 3 equal to minus 2. So 1 minus 2 minus 1, first equation verified. Let's see next equation 2 and then minus 3 by 3. So minus minus plus 3 by 3 cancel. So 1, 2 plus 1 equal to 3. So second answer is second equation also satisfied. Therefore your answer is correct. Okay. Now let's see question number 2. That is statement question. Okay. Once again we are starting with the statement question. So please be careful. So last video, so we have done a fraction question. So here also another fraction question. See, if 1 is added to numerator and 1 subtracted from the denominator, a fraction reduces to 1. So let a fraction be, let a fraction be x by y. According to question, what you have to do, if we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, 1 to the, so last day also I explained what is numerator and what is denominator. So please remember that according to question. So what is that? If 1 is added to numerator, so x plus 1, and 1 is subtracted from the denominator, y minus 1, then fraction becomes, it reduces to 1. So ultimately x plus 1 equal to y minus 1 implies x minus y equal to minus 2. This is equation number 1. The next, let's see, what is that? It becomes 1 by 2 if we only add 1 to the denominator. So numerator remains same, y plus 1 equal to 1 by 2. So ultimately twice x equal to y plus 1 implies twice x minus y equal to 1, equation number 2. So once again 1 minus 2. Here I eliminate y because in that case for me no need to take any LCM because both you see minus 1 minus 1, so it is easy for me. So that's the reason I have subtracted 1 from 2. Then what is that? X minus y equal to minus 2. Then twice x minus y equal to 1. Then minus plus minus. So minus x equal to minus 3. So ultimately x equal to 3. Now putting the value of x in 1. Putting the the value of x in 1. What is that? 3 minus y equal to minus 2. Ultimately, y equal to 3 plus 2 equal to 5. Therefore, required fraction is 3 by 5. Now you see one thing, you see whether your answer is correct or not, just you check. 3 plus 1, 4. 5 minus 1, 4. 4 by 4, 1. Then 3. 5 plus 1, 6. 3 by 6 equal to 1 by 2. The answer is correct. Okay. Now proceed for the next one. Now other day I have given a few words, that is ago, before, hands, from, now, okay, after. So those words you please remember. Here you see 5 years ago Nuri was thrice as old as Sonam. Nuri was thrice as old as Sonam. And do you remember what did I say? That how to consider the age of the person? You have to consider the age of a person in the present age, not the past, not the future, only the present age. So let present age of present age of Nuri be X years and present age of Sonam be Y years. So according to question, what is that? See, 5 years ago Nuri was thrice as old as Sonam. 5 years ago, that means previous age. So x minus 5, thrice, so 3 bracket y minus 5. So x minus 5 equal to thrice y minus 15 implies x minus thrice y equal to minus 15 minus 5 implies x minus thrice y equal to minus 10. This is equation number 1. And then next is what? Next you will see Nuri will be twice as old as 10 years later, that means afterward, later. So I think other day I have given hence, after, from now. One more word, that is later. So please add that word also later. Okay. So it will be x plus 10 equal to twice, so 2 y plus 10 implies x plus 10 equal to twice y plus 20 implies x minus twice y equal to 20 minus 10 implies x minus twice y equal to 10. This is equation number 2. Okay. Now once again you see, like last one, I have checked that coefficient of y. Now here you see coefficient of x is remain 1. So what I will do, same as previous one, 1 minus 2. Then you see x minus twice y equal to minus 10 and x minus twice y equal to 10. Then minus plus minus, so minus y equal to minus 20. Yes or not? So implies y equal to 20. Putting the value of value of y in 1. So x minus 3 into 20 equal to 10. Minus 10, no? So minus 10. Implies x equal to minus 10 plus 60 equal to 50. Therefore, present age of Nuri is 50 years and present age of Sonu is 20 years. Present age of Nuri is 50 years and present age of Nuri is 20 years. Now you can check whether your answer is correct or not. 50 minus 5 is 45. 20 minus 5 equal to 15. 15 into 3, 45. So first equation satisfied. Second equation, let's see. 50 plus 10, 60. 20 plus 10, 30. 30 into 2, 60. So answer is correct. The next one. That digit problem. Digit problem you got in class 8. Two-digit problem you got in class 8 in the linear equation in one variable chapter. So now we are once again after 1 year gap we are back with that question. So first of all let me explain what is two-digit number. I think all of you have copied, so let me write. So see, suppose let me consider a two-digit number as 23. 23 is a two-digit number. You got in class 3 how to expand the number, no? So and then in class 8 you got the exponential form as well. So see, 20 plus 3. That means 10 into 2 plus 3. This is tens place. Tens, this is unit or ones, yes, whatever you know. Now next one, you see what will happen if I interchange the digit. If I interchange the digit, then it will be 32. Then what is that? 30 plus 2 equal to 10 into 3 plus 2. So this is tens, this is unit or ones. Clear? So this is the two-digit number. Then next one, another thing is that sum of the digits, that means 3 plus 2 or 2 plus 3. Okay? Do you remember what is the property? This is the commutative property. Okay? So sometimes it may be given sum, sometimes it may be given product. So 3 into 2 or 2 into 3, whatever will be given according to that. So please write down this part first, and after that we will proceed with question number 3. The sum of the digits of a two-digit number is 9. Here sum of the digit of a two-digit number is 5. So first of all you consider let digit in unit place be. Let digit in unit place be x and digit in tens place be y. Now after that, before you start according to question, this part you have to write, this part. This is the part. Therefore, two-digits number equal to 10y plus x. Now according to question, what is that? You will see sum of the digit, that is x plus y equal to 9. This is the question number 1. Next, also 9 times the number, twice the number obtained by reversing the digit. 9 times the number. So what is that 9? 9 times the number. So 10y plus x. 2 times the reversing the digit. So then 90y plus 9x equal to 20x plus 2y. So ultimately how much? Can you tell me? So it will be, say, 90y minus 2y equal to 20x minus 9x. So ultimately it will be 88y equal to 11x. So ultimately x minus 8y equal to 0, equation number 2. See, 8 11s are 88, so 8 is left, here is 1, so x minus 8y equal to 0. Now, once again like last, see 1 minus 2, because coefficient of x is same. So x plus y equal to 9, x minus 8y equal to 0. So minus plus minus, so 9y equal to 9 implies y equal to 1, implies y equal to 1. I hope all of you have copied this part, so I will run. Okay. Then putting the value of y in 1. Putting the value of y in 1. What is that? X plus 1 equal to 9 implies x equal to 8. Therefore, 2 digits number equal to, see now, what is the form? 10 into 1. Because y is 1 plus 8 equal to 18. Now you can verify your answer. 1 plus 8 equal to 9. Then 18 9 is 162. And if you reverse, it will be 81. 81 into 2 equal to 162. So your answer is correct. Okay. Now let's see, Roman 4. Copied. So next, let's see. Mina went to a bank to withdraw rupees 2000. She asked the cashier to give her rupees 50 and rupees 100 notes only. Mina got 25 notes. That is, this is the first condition. Mina got 25 notes. Sorry, in all. Find how many notes of rupees 100, 50 and rupees 100. So let 50 rupees note, let let 50 rupees note be X and rupees 100 note be Y. Okay? According to question, what is that? X plus Y equal to 25. Given already. Then next is, what is that? 50x plus 100y equal to how much? 2000. Now what is the common factor of 50x and 100y? It is 50. So you take 50 common. So x plus twice y equal to 2000 implies x plus twice y equal to how much? 40. Equation number 2. Sorry. Now once again same, see, coefficient is 1, so 1 minus 2 x plus y equal to 25, x plus twice y equal to 40, then minus 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 y equal to minus 15 implies y equal to 15. Putting the value of y in 1. Putting the value of y in 1. Then what is that? X plus 15 equal to 25 implies x equal to 10. Therefore 50 rupees note is 10 and 100 rupees note is 15. Therefore 50 rupees note is 10 and 100 rupees note is 15. Now you have to check whether your answer is correct or not. 10 plus 15 equal to 25. First one is verified. The next, let's say 10 into 50 is 500. 15 into 100 is 1500. 500 plus 1500 equal to 2000. So your answer is correct. Okay. Now let's see next one, that is Roman 5. Roman 5. So same as last day. Last day it was a little bit different. Different means fixed price, fixed charges and charges per kilometer. Now here it is given little bit different. That is, for first 3 days remain fixed and remaining days you have to pay the charges. So fixed charges. So once again same procedure. Let fixed charges be rupees x and charge per day be rupees y. Let fixed charges be rupees x and charges per day. Charges per day be rupees y. According to question, see, a lending library has a fixed charges for first 3 days and an additional charges for each day thereafter. Sarita paid rupees 27 for a book kept for 7 days. So for 3 days there will be no charges, okay? That is fixed charges for 3 days. So x plus 7 minus 3 y, because 3 days gone, how many days remaining? 7 minus 3 equal to 27. So ultimately x plus 4y equal to 27. This is equation number 1. And then, while Susie paid rupees 21 for the book she kept for 5 days. So x plus 5 minus 3 y equal to 21. Ultimately what is that? X plus twice y equal to 21. And then you have to solve by yourself. Why not solve? Okay, you solve by yourself. and try to get the answer, and also verify whether your answer is correct or not. Not from the back side, by your side. Okay? Then next one is that cross multiplication method. Cross multiplication method. That is, so first we got substitution method. Today, till now, we have gone through with the elimination method, and the last one is that cross multiplication method. So let's see. Now in cross multiplication method, if you have, when in class 8 and all, when you have, it was asked that which fraction is greater, what you have done, suppose 2 by 3 and 5 by 7, what you have done, you have cross, so 2 into 7 and 3 into 5, so what is that, 14, 15, which is greater, this is greater, so which one greater, this one or this one, this one greater, okay, yes or no, so 2 by 3 greater, less than 5 by 7. So actually cross multiplication, this is the cross, it will be cross. So in cross multiplication method, first thing you have to remember that you have to convert an equation into a standard form. You have to convert an equation into standard form. So that is, suppose let me consider two standard equation, a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. And next one, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. Okay, plus c2 equal to 0. Now you see, we have to do by cross multiplication method. But my earnest request to you all that don't try to by heart the formula. You follow how I am writing, because it will be needed once again in your coordinate geometry chapter, that is to find the area of the triangle. Okay, so and also in the higher classes very often we will use this method. So that's the reason I request you, don't try to by heart, try to understand. So first you write x, then you write y, then you write constant. Constant means 1, and then you write once again x. So what is the coefficient of x? Is a1, a2, b1, b2, b1, b2, c1, c2, then once again a1, a2. Then you see what you have to do. X by y by 1 by. So this is 1. When you write down the x, then you should not consider the coefficient of x. So what is that? b1 c2 minus b2 c1. When you write down the y, you should not consider the coefficient of y. So c1 a2 minus c2 a1. And when you write down 1, then you should not consider the constant term. So then this one, that is a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Now why I have written x once again? You see, my dear, that if I don't write x here, then what will happen? This will be constant term I have written here, then x is here. Then if I go through this one, a1 c2 minus a2 c1, whether is it? It is c1 a2 minus c2 a1. So to avoid the minus sign problem, or to minimize that chance of mistake, I have written once again say, that is, see, a b c I have to go through D, then I have to go back to this. Clear? So this is the reason. It will go according to the sequence. You cannot break the sequence. Clear? So this is how you have to do the cross multiplication method. Now I will solve one question and then I'll give you a few questions to do by yourself, and then we'll wind up the class. Okay. So remember, today we have done the elimination method to eliminate one variable, eliminate, remove, and then next method is that cross multiplication method. Okay. So let's see. Exercise 3.5. Exercise 3.5. Let's see here. First question. 1 Roman 1. X minus 3y minus 3 equal to 0. Thrice x minus 9y minus 2 equal to 0. This is already converted into the standard form. So we have nothing. We have directly, you have to write out this part only. Okay. So let's see. X, y, 1, then x. So 1, 3, minus 3, minus 9, minus 3, minus 2, 1, 3. So what is that? X by minus 3, minus 2, minus 9, minus 3. Y by minus 3, 3, minus 2 into 1. 1 by 1 into minus 9, minus 3, minus 3. Okay. Okay, got? Now let's see. Implies x by 6 minus 27, y by minus 9 plus 2 equal to 1 by minus 9 plus 9. And then what happened? So x by minus 21, y by minus 7, 1 by 0. Therefore, x by minus 21 equal to 1 by 0. So x equal to minus 21 by 0. That means what? If it is 0, if any one of these x by 0 or y by 0, then no problem. But if 1 by 0, that means anything divided by 0 is undefined. So it is undefined. That is infinite symbol. So similarly, y is also same. Infinite. That means you check whether it is why it is happening. That means no solution. No? So 1 by 3 equal to 1 by 3 not equal to 3 by 2. That means no solution. A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 not equal to C1 by C2. So no solution. So no solution means infinite. Okay? Undefined. Okay. Now let's see. Proceed for question number 1 Roman 2. One Roman 2. Let's see. Twice x plus y equal to 5 implies twice x plus y minus 5. This is not given in the standard form, so you have to convert into standard form. Okay, thrice x plus twice y equal to 8 implies thrice x plus twice y minus 8 equal to 0. So then x by y by 1 by x, then 2, 3, 1, 2, minus 5, minus 8, 2, 3. Then you see x by y by 1 by. So 1 bracket minus 8 minus 2 bracket minus 5. Then minus 5 into 3 minus 8 into 2, and then 2 into 2 minus 1 into 3. That is, remember this arrow you are supposed to give. Okay, this arrow, there is two reasons. One, that how you are doing. Next, for your confusion, the moment you will give the arrow, the chance of mistake will be less. Okay, so implies x by minus 8 plus 10 equal to y by minus 15 plus 16 equal to 1 by 4 minus 3. Ultimately, x by 2, y by 1, 1 by 1. That means what? X by 2 equal to 1 by 1 implies x equal to 2, and y by 1 equal to 1 by 1 implies y equal to 1. So you come to know how to solve an equation, a pair of equation by the method of cross multiplication. So once again I will repeat what we have done today. We have done today the elimination method. What is elimination method? And second, we have done what is cross multiplication method. Then today's homework will be question number exercise, that whatever last exercise I have left, that one. Then exercise 3.5, question number 1 remaining question, and then question number 4, 1, 2 and 1 and 2. Other 3 I will do. Question number 4 Roman 1 and 2, and other will be your that will do next in my next class. So till then, I hope you have gone through my last video as well. And once again, same as last day, whatever I told, if you have any confusion regarding any question, anything, you can send me in my WhatsApp number. I'll try to solve in my next class. Till then, bye bye. Practice and regularly, so that the moment school will open, it will not be a problem for you. Thank you.